Today I'm going to show you how to drill into your concrete floor, your slab floor in your basement using a hammer drill. Before I made a video using a corded hammer drill. It was a little faster and more powerful than something like this. This is a cordless Milwaukee M12. It has a driver setting, of course, a drill setting, and a hammer setting. So the hammer, what you need is a masonry bit, the correct size masonry bit for whatever screws you're going to be driving into your floor. This particular one is a 1/4 inch Tapcon screw with a Torx head, a flat Torx head. You may want to use these for a 2x4 frame. You can put a sill plate into the concrete floor, but you need to drill the holes first, and for that we can use something like this. This will take longer than a corded drill, but I think it'll work as long as you have sharp masonry bits. The tools you'll need are a hammer drill of some kind. This is a Milwaukee M12 cordless hammer drill. It goes in pretty easily in something like hollow block, but takes a little longer in solid concrete, but it'll get the job done. And then masonry bits. Make sure they're sharp masonry bits. These 3/16 screws take a 5/32 bit, and the 1/4 inch screw takes a 3/16 bit. It's essentially just a little bit smaller than the screw to allow the threads to cut into the hole and then hold the screw. You'll need your masonry screws. For something small like a furring strip, you could just use these 3/16 screws. These are a Phillips head, flat. If you're going to be putting something thicker to concrete, you could use the 1/4 inch with a Torx head. So that is actually a really good grip when you're tightening your screw, and then you'll have it. And then your screws will need to be at least 1 inch embedment. And that's all they need, just 1 inch embedment. And I use a bit like this countersink bit, just to countersink the holes a little bit, so the beveled screw can go in and then it'll be flush to the surface. Safety equipment, of course, ear dust mask. There's a lot of dust. You don't want to breathe this stuff in. Ear protection, because it'll be very, very loud. And then some kind of eye protection, because chips of concrete can come flying out. You gotta be careful of that. And then finally, whatever it is that you're going to be installing, whatever you're going to be attaching. And that's it. Alright, so if you're attaching something to the floor, like a frame, 2x4 frame, this would be the 2x4 sill plate. What you can do is pre-drill your 2x4, and then you can get started in each hole on the drill setting. This is my Milwaukee hammer drill and regular drill and driver combo, M12. So it takes a little bit longer, but it should still do the trick. This is a 3/16 bit for a 1/4 inch Tapcon screw with a flathead Torx drive. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to drill a hole in a random position here, and then we'll be able to drive the screw in. You can use, if you're going to be putting in these smaller ones, then you'll need a 5/32 bit for these smaller ones. If you're going to put like a smaller piece of wood or something on the floor for whatever reason, or if you're going to attach some kind of brace or some kind of bracket, you could use these. But for now I'm going to be using this one. It's going to take a little longer than drilling a smaller hole, but hammer setting.